We'll sketch a graph in this exercise. We're going to graph the quantity x plus 2 squared over 16 plus the quantity y minus 3 squared over 9 equals 1. Now we can tell from the form of the equation that the graph is going to be an ellipse. And let's begin by writing this equation in the standard form for the equation of an ellipse. We could write this as x minus negative 2 squared over 4 squared plus y minus 3 squared over 3 squared is equal to 1. Now, this form of the equation tells us, first of all, that the center of the ellipse is going to be negative 2, 3. This is x minus h, the quantity squared, and this is y minus k, the quantity squared, and the center is hk. So negative 2, 3 gives us the center. Now we know that this is a squared and this is b squared in the standard form for the equation of an ellipse. So we know that a is 4, and we know that b is 3. And I'm just going to put a dot where the center of the ellipse is at negative 2, 3. But keep in mind that this is not a point on the graph of the ellipse. It's just going to guide me in graphing some points that are on the ellipse. Now, if a is 4, that means that I have 2 points on the ellipse. One is 4 units. One is 4 units to the left of the center, and one is 4 units to the right of the center. So if I go 4 units to the left and 1, 2, 3, 4 units to the right, these are 2 points on the graph of the ellipse. And when b is 3 and the second coordinate of the center is 3, I know that I have 2 points on the ellipse that are 3 units below and above the center, so I can plot those 2 points. This is the one below and this is the one above. And then I can just sketch a curve through these 4 points that I've plotted that are points on the ellipse, and that will be my graph. Now, this should actually look a little more rounded and a little less like a football, and if you would look at the answer section in the back of your textbook, you would see a well-drawn ellipse. But this gives you the idea of the shape, and it also gives you an idea of how to graph this equation. This is the graph of the equation that we started out with.